We search for peace of mind everywhere, in career milestones, money, and relationships. Yet, even after achieving it all, why does the heart often feel empty and restless? Maulana Wahiduddin Khan explains our fundamental mistake. We look for peace in the external world. But this world was never designed to give you flawless external conditions. True peace doesn't come from changing your circumstances. It comes from changing your mind. In the words of Maulana, peace is an inner state of being. When you accept the realities of life and drop your complaints, your mind automatically enters a state of tranquility. If you want peace, stop expecting perfection from this world. Shift your focus from complaint to gratitude and from creation to the Creator. Real peace is found in God's remembrance. Master your mind. Find your peace.